In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block and report someone on the PSN mobile app. Okay, so doing this is very easy. It all depends though really how you've spoken to the person or how you've came across the person you want to block or report. Now what I would do is I will go ahead and find either the message or the user. So if you go ahead and swipe down on the PlayStation app, you'll see all of your current chats. Now maybe they've sent you a really bad message which you want to report and block. So this person here sent me a message saying you suck. Not very nice, is it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block and report him. So we're going to go ahead and hold down on his message which says you suck. It's then going to give me the option to report that message, which I will do right now. It will then load up this next window, and here you can see you can choose the message you want to report and then choose why it should be reported. I'm going to select I think it should not be on the PlayStation network, and I'm going to say it's rude. And then we can also block that player as well if we want to click on the block player button. So that is how you can report and block someone on the PlayStation app.